Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Wednesday, January 19th, also known as my sister's birthday today. The Dow was down 12.5 points, closing 11,825, but that masks a lot of underlying weakness in the overall market. IBM accounted for a gigantic portion of gains, otherwise the loss would have been much more dramatic than the Dow. For perspective, the NASDAQ was down 40, but 1.5%, closing at 27.25. The S&P suffered its worst one-day drop in over 2 months today, finished down 13 points at 1281. Tone was not good from the get-go. Apple and IBM had good numbers, but Goldman Sachs did not. And that underlying weakness, along with some selling some of the material stocks, led to selling pressure on Wall Street. And things don't look the greatest after hours either. Futures trading a little lower on some pretty bad earnings. So a few things to look at for tomorrow. On the positive side, that aforementioned IBM did close near a high after posting very, very good earnings. eBay had good earnings after the bell today. RJF posted decent earnings. And DDS disclosed its intention to form a wholly owned subsidiary that's going to seek to operate as a REIT. So that's got some tax advantages. On the negative side, Apple AAPL closed near a low and a near complete reversal despite posting great earnings. GS and Cree closed near their lows after posting terrible, terrible earnings. MTG closed near a low after posting poor earnings. RDN moved with it. Mosaic, quite the story. MOS traded at 93 last night, closed down almost over 10% today after Cargill announced it's selling its stake in the company. A myriad of things closed near the lows. MSB, MEE, AMZN, FCX, which by the way is out with earnings in the morning, WLT, NFLX, SNDK, AIG, X, MON and POT, FSLR, RIG, APC, and MCP and REE. Also, FFIV had terrible earnings. It's down 31 points as I speak right now. A number of things may move with it tomorrow, including Juniper, Citrix, and Akamai. STX and PLXS had poor earnings. And ARQL, ISLE, and FITB are all doing share offerings. The earnings calendar in the morning, among others, COL, FCS, FCX, JCI, LUV, MS, PNC, UNH, and UNP. After the bell, AMD, COF, ELX, Flex, Google, GOOG, IGT, ISRG, MSCC, PLCM, SWKS, and SYNA. Full list in the blog in the morning. With that, I wish all of you a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.